Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So do you need to add a password to a PDF or remove an existing password in Adobe Acrobat? Adobe Acrobat makes it easy to secure PDF files with password protection, and if you have the necessary permissions, remove password security when it's no longer needed. This can help protect sensitive documents while still allowing authorized users to access them. So in this guide, I will show you step by step how to password protect and remove a password from a PDF in Acrobat or Adobe Acrobat in 2026. So first thing, open the PDF in Acrobat, okay, Adobe Acrobat, like open the PDF you want to protect, verify that all edits are complete before applying security settings. So it's best to finalize the documents before locking it. Open the protect tool, like select all tools and protect a PDF, okay. So this opens Acrobat security options, okay. So the protect tool manages passwords and permissions. So choose the choose protect with password, click protect with password. Acrobat will ask you how you want to secure the documents. Common options include viewing password, editing password. So different password types provide different levels of protection, okay. Select your protection type, like choose one of the following, like viewing password requires a password to open the PDF. Editing password allows viewing but restricts modifications without the password. So editing passwords are commonly used for shared business documents, okay. So create a strong password after that, and then open the password if you want to remove it, like open the password protected PDF. Open the PDF in Adobe Acrobat, enter the password when prompted. You must successfully unlock the documents before changing security settings, okay. So open security settings, select all tools, select a PDF or file and properties and security, locate the document security settings, and this section controls PDF control protection options. Then change the security method to no security. So thank you guys for watching this video and see you in the next tutorial.